we're going to be installing a brand new asphalt walkway. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from doitallsealing.com, and on this channel we do asphalt repairs, driveway sealing, concrete work, general contracting, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. This existing walkway that I'm standing on now has existing problems. You can see it cracking, it's causing a little bit of a trip hazard, and in the winter when ice is forming, it's creating a problem of slip hazard. So we're going to correct that issue now. First thing I need to do is I need to excavate the existing asphalt, and I'm going to repair the base and before putting the new asphalt down. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Bobcat loader and I'm going to start excavating. Just finished excavating the asphalt. We've even taken some of the existing base out, and we're going to be putting some new Granular A gravel to make the base a lot more firmer before we can even lay the asphalt. So I'm going to jump in the Bobcat loader now and start applying the Granular A. Right now I'm just going to rough rake it to get it to the desired level. Now we have the Granular A installed. It's rough raked. I'm just going to use the lute and I'm just going to go over it once just to make sure it's at the desired level. Now I'm ready to use the plate compactor to compact the Granular A. Asphalt and start applying that. Now I'm just going to give it a rough rake before I lute it. Okay, so I've already rough raked the area. I'm just going give it a lute. Today's very, very windy, so the asphalt's actually cooling down a lot faster. So after I lute it, I'm gonna immediately walk on it with the asphalt wooden shoes and give that a little bit of time before I run the plate compactor. Now what I'm going to do with the lute, I'm just going to do the side, the edging. Just going to tamp it down with the lute, and later on I will go over it with the hand tamper. Now I'm going to run the plate compactor over the asphalt that's already been walked up. So that's it. The walkway is now compacted. We're going to wait about an hour before foot traffic can resume. That's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bash that bell to turn notifications on for all the upcoming videos. Share the video, like our video, and we'll see you next time from doitallceiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.